In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on this Hyundai Sonata. We do not have to disconnect any sort of fuel lines for this. We're just going to replace one strap at a time. They sit underneath the vehicle on the tank. Let's get started. We're going to replace one side at a time. That way the tank does not come down. And because I'm on a lift, I'm going to use a pole jack. But if you're on the ground, use a floor jack with a piece of wood or anything in between the jack and the tank to support it without damaging the tank itself. I'm going to apply a light amount of pressure to it just so the tank can stay up here. Now we can unbolt this strap. Looking on the rear subframe, you'll see these rubber caps, plugs, whatever you want to call them. That is an opening that will allow you to put a socket all the way up on this mounting nut that's on this threaded rod, which is actually the stud holding on the straps. Once again, it does not matter which one you start with, but let's pop the cap off, get a socket on there, and slowly remove that mounting nut. With a trim tool or a screwdriver, whatever you have, pop this plug out. The other side on top is already going to be open. Stick your socket right through here and onto the mounting nut. This is going to be a 17mm mounting nut. You want to go slow, work that rust back and forth. I already have it soaked in rust penetrant. You don't want to break that stud off the body of the vehicle. And there it is. Now you can pull the strap down. On the other end, the strap has a pin going through it. What you want to do is lift it up, put one end through this opening, slide it sideways, and then pull it down. There it is. Take the new strap, slide it into position, just the same way you took the old one out, just like that. Bring the strap up. You might have to bend it just a little bit. That's normal. There we go. Back on the stud side, slide the strap over, install the mounting nut, and let's snug it up. The torque for this mounting nut is 35 foot-pounds. Don't forget to plug up the hole at the bottom. Remove your fuel tank support from this side, put it on the other side, and let's replace the other strap. With that strap replaced, lower your support once again, and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.